Is this you? Have you been weightlifting for years to now discover you have the unbridled strength of the one and only Randy Bobandy?
Going to jail, Ricky. Going to jail. Head off.
Well, this was me. Only 3 weeks ago when I could barely hold on to the bar. Why is this though? I train back and by every other day. I shouldn't have an issue doing a single pull-up. So what gives? Guess I need to take Tren. There's no other way.
Think there's no answer? You're so stupid.
Calisthenics. Duh. Traditional weightlifting on its own, while very effective for building a great physique, has its own uncovered areas. In order to become a stronger, more mobile and flexible athlete, you should introduce calisthenics into your workouts. I'm going to show you 3 reasons why you should introduce calisthenics into your workouts if you haven't already. Part 1, minimal equipment. Calisthenics is a fitness approach for lazy people. You heard me right. Sometimes you just can't be to go to the gym. Like those days where you're just feeling lazy and you don't want to go, you just can't get your ass out of the chair. You know, you have your excuse like, well, I guess I'm not going to go to the gym today. I can't get up. I don't want to go. Guess what? Boom. Now you can just do your shit on the floor. That's right. No excuses. Push-ups, sit-ups, dead bugs, leg raisers, other I can't think of it right now. But the point is, when you do calisthenics or once you start doing calisthenics, the idea of not being able to go to the gym just because it's like raining or it's too cold or you just can't be that's no longer an excuse. As long as you have the floor or some like equipment like a pull-up bar or something, you know, you're just being a little there's no reason not to go to the gym once you have that. Part 2, functional strength. Calisthenics emphasizes functional strength rather than just muscle size and raw power. Functional strength focuses on real-world abilities, stabilities, endurance, balance, and coordination. It prioritizes maintaining proper posture, preventing injuries, and moving efficiently. But ideally, these are mimicking real-world movements and not movements that you would only need to develop your physique. Functional training works many muscles in a single area, which encourages endurance, core stability, and balance in addition to making you stronger. Calisthenics can improve your mobility and flexibility. That's right. It's important to perform calisthenic exercises at their full range of motion, but beginners usually struggle initially. Like for example, when I was doing those pull-ups, I thought I was doing fine, but it turns out you need to get to a 90-degree angle on your, like having your arms be at a 90-degree angle for it to count at a single rep or a proper rep. Both calisthenics and traditional weightlifting benefit from flexibility, and if you are inflexible, inflexibility can lead to muscle imbalances, poor posture, improper movement, and, you know, increases your odds for potential injuries, which is not good. Part 4, secret tip. Guess what? Haha, secret tip. Just start. The hardest thing about calisthenics, honestly, is just starting. Like, obviously, if you are intimidated by the idea of doing a pull-up, it's going to be very difficult for you to start. And you probably won't be able to do a pull-up on your first try, much like I did, much like most people can. But there's ways to make it easier for you. They have resistance bands if you need, or the assisted pull-up machine, and you can just train your lats regularly for more strength instead of hypertrophy and just try to condition yourself. There's a lot of different ways. There's not one correct way. You should do what works best for you. And as long as you start, you're going to be so much better for it in the future. Hopefully now I've given you the steps and the knowledge to consider at least starting calisthenics or incorporating it into your workouts as a regular thing. And that's it. If you made it all this way to the video, that must mean you liked something about it. Maybe it was my sexy face. Haha. Anyway, if you did like it, I would really appreciate it if you liked or subscribed, because I'm trying to make a lot of content around this niche. A lot of fitness stuff, a lot of productivity stuff, and a lot of mindfulness stuff coming on the way. All right, I think that's it. I'll see you in the next one.